Alright, so welcome back again to your Cosmic Cloud Store account. In the previous video or the previous section, we talk about how you can verify your email address. And once your email address have been verified, so in your homepage, this is what it looks like. So there's nothing there, and a lot of red text has been gone. And the next thing that you need to do is to fill with products. Fill up these products dito sa homepage mo. Kailangan may mga products na naka-display dyan. There are two ways that you can put products here. You can upload it manually by going to your admin account by clicking your name here dito sa upper right corner ng page mo. And then you go to product. So you can start uploading it, and I will going to show you how you can do this one on the next sections. But this time I'm going to show you how you can fill your homepage with a lot of products na sa isang pindutan lamang. So go to your admin account and then go to product. So yung product na walang S, yan yung mag-add ka ng products, ikaw yung mag-add, and then yung products is this one. So as you can see here, you would probably see this load initial products button here. If you click that one, yung all products here, this page here will be filled with products already. Alright, so I'm going to click this one, load initial products, and there you have it. There are a lot of products here that is being filled in your account na nilagay niya sa account mo. So if you go back to your homepage, ayan, andito na yung mga products na to. Now, is this okay or not? So this is not really okay because may mga products naman dito that you are not selling. So if you go back to product section of your admin account, may mga products naman dito na wala sa tindahan mo if you have a store, or if you don't have a store and you want to sell grocery products or any products online. May mga products that hindi binibenta, hindi mo makukuhanan ng supplier. So what you gonna need to do is to delete the products that doesn't exist in your store, or do you have no supplier for that products. Shall we say itong Milo, wala ka nito, so you can click this delete if you want to delete that one. Alright, and then if meron, kung nasa tindahan mo or you have a supplier, then retain it. Alright, so that's it for this video. You are, in just one click, you have uploaded all the products. And then if you want to add products, you just go to this section or this section here in your admin account, products. Later, I'm going to show you how you can add this one on the next section.